What do I do with a house if I can't sell it?
What do you do with the house if you can't sell it? Well, for one, I guess give me a call. I'll come, I'll take a look at it. And I'm going to look at the house, get a feel for it, see what it needs to be, what needs to be done to get it fixed up. And when we get there, I'll make you an offer that, I'll make you an offer that's, a cash offer as is, and it's not going to have any contingencies. So there's no loopholes.
Mm-hmm.
It's just going to be a straight up, this is what I can pay for it. The only costs you're responsible for are going to be, if you have any loans or liens on the house, I don't research that stuff. You'll have to pay that. We'll pay the normal closing costs at the title company. You won't have to pay any fees or anything like that. You don't have to clean it out. But yeah, the whole process is made to be as simple as possible. And it's got to be a win-win. So it's got to make sense for you financially. If not, just let me know it doesn't make sense. If we're close, I would appreciate you letting me know we're close, and maybe we can work something out. If I do get people sometimes that think their house is worth, the after repaired value, after someone comes in and totally fixes it up and their house hasn't been updated in 30, 40 years. I can't pay the after repaired value because the house isn't worth that.
Sure.
But I can pay a fair price for what the actual value of the house is at that point in time.